Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Tether, USDT, from Bitmart to your Crypto.com wallet. This process is simple and secure, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Crypto.com. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including Tether. Next, select Tether from your wallet. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually prominent and easy to find. Before proceeding, you'll need the withdrawal address from Crypto.com. Head over to your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the Tether deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as mismatches can lead to lost funds. Back on Bitmart, paste the Crypto.com address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for any network fees. In 2025, fees might vary, so check the estimated costs displayed. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After submission, Bitmart will process your withdrawal. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com wallet for the incoming transfer. If you encounter any issues, both platforms have support chats or tickers to help. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but stay vigilant with your private keys and addresses. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.